Good morning, this is Tony Vanello from La Mesa RV Center. I was asked to shoot a few videos for you today on various coaches we have that may fit your needs. This is a River FR3 29DS. The year model is 2017 and the miles, they're 11,000 something, but I know they're under 12,000. I just forgot the miles, forgive me for that. But I'll make sure I send them in the email. So that's pretty good sized living room here. That just drop into the bed and there's a cushion that goes on top. Your captain's chair is there. So we lose a little focus now and then with the lighting changes, so bear with me there. Generator has a 284 hours, I think it was on there. I'll double check that. But that's where I believe it was at. This is your convenience center. So you have your water heater, your water pump, your generator. The coach is low fuel, so the generator won't run. We have less than a quarter tank, but I should be able to get my hours. 238. Like I said, 84, so I was wrong. Less than I thought. But these generators automatically cut off when you have less than a quarter tank of gas. That way you don't actually run your fuel all the way down and you can't get out of the campsite. So that's your bedroom. Got a nice bedroom door there. Television as well in here. I gotta give them credit, the TV placements in this particular floor plan are pretty awesome. Nice big hand closet all the way through. Oh. Nice cabinet drawers and whatnot. Nice nook here for other things. Have air conditioner control here in the bedroom. For your bedroom AC. It is ducted. Nice big refrigerator. 4-door fridge on a little coach. That's nice. And 2 ACs on a little coach. That's mighty nice. And then nice big mid bath with glass shower doors. Yeah, this coach is used, and it is a 17. You know, these little cosmetic issues, these will just be considered as is. So just don't, we're not going to get a whole new piece of plastic. But there doesn't seem to be anything major going on with this coach that I can tell, other than it's, 17. Got used a bit and it's ready for a new owner. So cool. That's the FR3. Let's go find a couple more.